Starting a laundry business but don't have a logo? No worries. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional laundry logo in just 3 easy steps. And the best part? You don't need any design experience. It's 100% beginner friendly. So if you want a logo that stands out and looks professional, stay with me until the end. Alright, let's start. First, go to canva.com and sign in. If you don't have an account, no worries, it's free. Now, click on Create a Design and set the size. I recommend 1280 by 720 pixels for a high-quality logo. Apart from that, why we need to choose this size is because it is adjusted to the shape of the logo that will be created. You'll see a blank canvas. This is where we'll design our laundry logo step by step. Now, let's add some design elements. Since we're creating a logo for Express Laundry, we need to add an element that represents speed. Go to the Elements menu, type Express Icon Speed in the search bar, and select this icon. Drag and position the icon on the left side of the canvas. Next, let's add a laundry icon. Go back to the Elements menu, type Bubble Homework Cleaner Wash Shirt in the search bar. Choose this icon that best represents laundry and cleanliness. Next, place the laundry icon inside the speed box. Now let's add colors to our logo. Avoid using too many colors in your logo. Instead, let's stick to the existing colors from the elements we've chosen. Follow the tutorial carefully and apply the colors accordingly. Next, let's add an outline effect to the logo. This will help make the logo stand out when placed on a dark background. Here's how to do it. Click on the logo, then select Edit. Go to Shadows and choose Outline. Change the outline color to white. Repeat this process for all other logo elements. Now, let's change the canvas background to black. At this stage, if any elements are not properly aligned, go ahead and adjust them. Now, we're ready for the next step. Next, let's add the business name. Go to the text menu and click Add a Heading. Type your laundry business name. I'll use Express Laundry as an example. Now, let's customize the text. Change the text color to orange for a bold and energetic look. Choose a clean and easy to read font. For this tutorial, I'll use Garrett with a bold and italic style. You can adjust the text position to align perfectly with the main logo. Make sure everything looks balanced and proportional. You can also add effects to the text. For this tutorial, I'll add an outline effect to match the main logo. Make sure the outline color is the same, white. Once you're done, this is the final result. Pretty easy, right? Now, let's move on to the final touches. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Click Share, then Download. For the best quality, choose PNG format. If you have Canva Pro, enable transparent background so your logo looks clean everywhere. Now, your logo is ready. You can use it for business cards, social media, and even storefront signage. And that's it. In just 3 easy steps, you now have a professional laundry logo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what business logo do you want me to create next? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.